Boom shakalaka, mounting evidence. A new Bitcoin cycle has begun. Which side are you on? Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're taking a look at a lot of overwhelming evidence to suggest a new Bitcoin cycle has begun and exactly why. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us over on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove. Push that like button. Today, sitting at 30 once again, same as yesterday, same as last week, and same as a whole bunch of other days recently. The overall market up 1% today. Bitcoin at 26.18, Ethereum at 15.77, BNB at 3.44, XRP 46 cents, Dogecoin 12 cents, Cardano 41 cents, and Solana $32. And Bitcoin, after breaking this long downtrend, it appears as we are beginning new upward movement territory. We're going to take a look at a lot of very interesting charts, especially towards the end, some charts that have never been wrong, suggesting why Bitcoin could be in new bull territory. Now, right now, the price is sitting right around the first confirmation point of the triple inception double bottom, which could send Bitcoin to level 2, to level 3, and then eventually back out of bear territory. Right now, if we take a look at the corporate insider buy-sell ratio, it's at its second highest level since 2011. That means corporate insiders, people who actually know what's going on, are buying at the highest levels ever. The only time higher was pretty much the end of the housing crisis back in 2011. Do they know something that we don't? That's an interesting question, considering when most people are talking about, hey, we have a big market crash coming, we have recession coming, we have war coming. Well, apparently, based on data, it appears that a big market crash is imminent, but just not yet. Employment going through the roof has coincided with big market drawdowns. But here we are with historically low unemployment rates. We can see previous times when we had serious market drawdowns, the unemployment went through the roof at these times previously. Right now, we have a large market drawdown, but employment is historically low levels, meaning that potentially, well, it's just all made up. Right now, if we take a look, some of these signals better than others, but over the centuries, humans have come up with multiple ways to describe the same thing, all just attempts to visualize and anticipate mass human nature. With Bitcoin right now, we have on the left, wick-off accumulation, identically. We have double bottom, identically. We have leading diagonal, identically. All bottoming signals, all flagging simultaneously for Bitcoin. Not only that, but if we take a look, Bitcoin breaking through the weekly stochastic indicator, very, very similar to 2019, where we had the bottom fall out through the floor. We take a look at the stochastic indicator breaking through the bottom of that. Well, we had the same type of thing, Bitcoin price falling through the floor, a little bit of a rounded bottom, and we have about to break through the stochastic indicator. Could be coming in the upcoming weeks. Right now, another bottom indicator, the classic tricks signal. Every time historically, this has nailed the bottom for Bitcoin. Basically, when this signal changes direction at the bottom. Well, look at this. We have a change in direction at the bottom, suggesting once again another bottoming signal. Impossible to tell looking into the future, but very, very suggestive this could be the bottom. Not only that, but if we take a look at this signal, the UO signal, once again, change in direction down here in this histogram, each time historically has nailed the bottom perfectly. Well, once again, we have this happening, potentially nailing the bottom yet again. Right now, if we take a look at Bitcoin, observations on the Pi cycle top. We talked about this a little bit yesterday. The 111 SMA, this red line right here, has started flattening. Now, historically, when it's flattened, this has already indicated the bottom was already in. We have the flattening happening right here, and we also have the lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low. So this Pi cycle top indicator suggesting, yet again, that the bottom is already in. But it's impossible to tell. Looking into the future, impossible to tell. The markets could crash, could go down to $10,000, even though that seems what everybody is expecting it to do. It could possibly happen. This recession might be worse than everybody's talking about. But if we really, really talk about the best times to buy Bitcoin, right now it's battling its average cost basis. We can see the orange line right here is the realized price, the average cost basis. A confirmation break above gets price acceleration going. You can see that each time it broke above, yeah, that was the beginning of a very massive rally. Right now, we're just below it. Until then, it's accumulation mode. So if you don't know if it's going up, if the market could crash, which it could, well, you're still getting Bitcoin at an amazing price underneath its realized price, which brings us to this chart right here. Mustache says the Puel multiple is my favorite chart on chain to determine if Bitcoin has already bottomed. Every time Bitcoin left the green zone, the bottom was already in and a new bull market started. We've left the green zone for the 5th time in Bitcoin's history, suggesting once again a new bull market has started. Every time we left this zone previously, that was the beginning of a new bull market. We just left it once again, suggesting, is this time different? I don't know. I'll leave that up to you. But that's all for today's video. If you did enjoy, push that like button. I will catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.